read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Number 19. As usual, before starting our lesson, we will count to develop the sense of counting. Look over here. Wow, beautiful, colorful umbrellas. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Oh my God, I love to see it now. Beautiful colors. 19 umbrellas. 19 umbrellas shimmer and shine in the sunshine. Now we all will pretend to shine and shimmer by moving your hands up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, now look over here. Here is 10 rupee note and 9 coins. We will count them. How to count it? I will tell you. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8, 18. 10 and 9, 19. This is number 19. Which number is this? Number 19. Now it's your turn. You have to count these pencils and erasers. Wow! 19 pencils and erasers all together. 19. 19 umbrellas, bright and round, bright and round. Open them up and rail them round. Open them up and rail them round and round. In the rain or shining sun, hold them high and have some fun. Hold them high and have some fun. Now let's start. How to trace it? Start from the dot. Come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot. Make semicircle. Go up. Come straight down. It will make number 9. 10 and 9, 19. 19 colorful umbrellas. I hope so. You enjoyed it a lot. You will trace number 19 and you will count these umbrellas again and again. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.